What is up, guys? What's going on? And we're going to be talking about Toncoin today. Basically, Toncoin for beginners. Gonna give you the rundown of what Toncoin is, so you can easily understand it. All right, let's get into it, guys. Imagine a world where sending money to a friend across the globe is as easy and as cheap as sending a text message. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies, and Toncoin is one of the exciting players in this space. If you are new to crypto, don't worry. This essay will break it down simply. Toncoin, also known as Toncoin, what the heck, or just Ton, is the native cryptocurrency of the Open Network, a blockchain platform designed to be super fast and user-friendly. It's especially popular because of its close ties to Telegram, the messaging app, with over 1 billion users. And this guide will explore what Ton is, its history, how it works, what you can do with it, and some tips for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what Toncoin is and why it is gaining buzz in 2025. Let's start with the basics. Ton stands for the Open Network. It's a decentralized blockchain, which means it's a digital ledger that records transactions securely without needing a central authority like a bank. Think of it like a shared notebook that everyone can write in, but no one can cheat or erase entries. Toncoin is the feel for the network. It's the coin used to pay for transactions, run apps, and reward people who help keep the system running. Originally dreamed up by the folks at Telegram, Ton aims to make blockchain accessible to everyday people, not just tech experts. The story of Toncoin begins in 2018 when Pavel and Nikolai Durov, the brothers behind Telegram, started working on it. They wanted to create a blockchain that could handle millions of transactions per second, way faster than the older ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Telegram even raised over $1.7 billion through an initial coin offering, ICO, to fund it. But things hit a snag in 2020. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission stepped in, saying the ICO violated securities laws. Telegram had to shut down the project and return money to investors. It seemed like the end, but the community stepped up. Developers and fans took the open source code and revived it as an independent project called the Open Network. Today, Ton is run by a decentralized community, though it still benefits from Telegram's massive user base. As of 2025, Ton has grown hugely, with its coin hitting all-time or new highs and integrations popping up everywhere. So, how does Ton actually work? At its core, Ton is a layer 1 blockchain, meaning the base layer where everything happens. It uses a proof of stake system, which is eco-friendly compared to Bitcoin's energy-hungry proof of work. In proof of stake, people stake their Ton coins to help validate transactions and secure the network, earning rewards in return. What makes Ton special is its architecture. It's called a blockchain of blockchains. There's a main chain, master chain that coordinates everything, and then multiple work chains that handle specific tasks. This setup allows Ton to process transactions super quickly, claiming speeds of up to 100,000 per second or more. Fees are tiny, often just pennies, making it practical for small payments. Ton itself is the star of the show. It's not just digital money, it's multifunctional. First, you use it to pay gas fees, the small cost for sending transactions or running smart contracts, which are like automated agreements on the blockchain. Second, staking Ton lets you earn more coins by helping the network. Third, it's used in decentralized finance, DeFi, where you can lend, borrow, or trade without banks. For example, you can swap Ton for other cryptos on decentralized exchanges built on the network. Ton also supports stablecoins like USDT, which are pegged to the US dollar for steadier value. One of the coolest things about Ton is its integration with Telegram. Since Telegram has over 900 million users, Ton apps can reach them easily through many apps. These are lightweight programs that run inside Telegram. No need to download anything extra. Popular uses include games like Hamster Combat or Nutcoin, where players can earn Ton by tapping or completing tasks. NFTs are big too, digital collectibles like art or virtual items that you can buy, sell, or trade with Ton. And for payments, Telegram Wallet lets you send Ton to friends instantly, even across borders with low fees like Venmo but on the blockchain. Beyond fun and finance, Ton is building a future internet. Features like Ton storage offer decentralized file saving, so your data isn't controlled by big companies like Google. Ton Proxy, Ton sites aim for a censorship-resistant web where anyone can host content securely. Developers love it because they can build and launch apps quickly, tapping into Telegram's audience for marketing. In 2025, we've seen more GameFi, gaming plus finance projects, where playing games earns real Ton rewards, and even social apps blending crypto with chatting. Why choose Ton over the other cryptos? Its advantages shine for beginners. Speed and scalability means no waiting around for transactions. Unlike Ethereum's sometimes clogged network, low costs make it accessible. You don't need to be rich to play. The Telegram link lowers the entry barrier. Many people already have the app, so trying Ton feels familiar. Plus, it's decentralized, giving users control over their money. As of 2025, Ton's market cap is in the billions, showing strong growth, and partnerships with stablecoin issuers like Tether have boosted adoption. Getting started with Ton is straightforward. First, download a wallet like TonKeeper or official Telegram wallet. It's free and easy to set up. Then buy Ton on exchanges. You can buy on, I believe, BitTrue is one of them, and possibly BTCC. I do have the link in the description, link.bio link. If you click that, you can click onto BitTrue or BTCC. Anyway, so you can buy it on the exchanges and other cryptos. Once you have Ton, you can send it to others, stake it for rewards, or explore many apps. Always start small and learn as you go. Remember to secure your wallet with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Of course, like any crypto, Ton has its risks. Prices can swing wildly. Ton hit an all-time high in 2024, but could drop too. Regulatory changes like past SEC issues might affect it. Scams are common in crypto, so stick to official sources and never share your private keys. Also, while Ton is secure, no system is hack-proof, so diversify your investments. In conclusion, Toncoin is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a gateway to faster, fairer digital world. Born from Telegram's vision and powered by a vibrant community, it offers tools for payments, gaming, DeFi, and beyond. For beginners, its ease of use and low barriers make it a great starting point. As blockchain evolves in 2025, Ton is positioned to grow, potentially bringing crypto to the masses through everyday apps. If you're curious, dip your toes in a small amount and explore. who knows? You might just find the next big thing in your Telegram chats. Alright. So, I've actually been farming some crypto games for crypto airdrops on Telegram. So, I also have a link to that. So, if you go to the simple.bio link and look for Cappy Bobo, it used to be called Cappy Bomb. I don't know why they changed it to Cappy Bobo. I think Cappy Bomb was a better name for the game. But I'm literally always on Cappy Bobo trying to earn more Cappy points so I get a bigger airdrop. I staked. You can do stake to earn basically. So you stake bomb token. You can buy bomb token also on BitTrue. And what I did was I transferred that to like my OKX wallet, and then I staked it on Cappy Bobo. And they basically they pay you Cappy. It's like Cappy points. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard because of the green screen, right? So anyway, I can accept right there. Okay, I don't know. There we go. Boom. And so then it just gave me some Cappy points. And I can do that every hour I can claim from my staking. And I got 830 million Cappy points. I don't know what it's going to be worth. It could be worth a lot of Cappy. But we'll see. But it's a pretty fun game. It's pretty simple. It can actually play by itself, so you don't have to make a lot of effort. You can turn the auto mode on, like that, and then he's just your little Cappy dude just going around taking out monsters. And that green screen. And then it just levels up and gets better gear as it's killing monsters. It's pretty cool. It's a very simple way to get a crypto airdrop. I kind of like played on this one called Cadison, and I did like a real half-ass effort, and I got $500 crypto airdrop from them. So, and this game is I think kind of affiliated with Cadison, so could be good, but we'll see. Anyway, the link to it, Cappy Bobo, is in click the link in the description, simple.bio link, and then look for Cappy Bobo. There's also links to exchanges. Like I said, I know you can get Toncoin on BitTrue. I'm not sure about BTCC. But yeah, if you click those links and you deposit money, you get a deposit bonus also there on BitTrue and BTCC. So yeah, check it out. I appreciate y'all. Also, if you want to join the $100 weekly giveaway, you can find out details about it at santaall.net. There's many ways to earn entries. By watching this video that you're watching right now, if you see the code, then DM it to me. You'll get entries. But there's many other ways to get entries by simply sharing the videos, and a lot of different ways. So check it out, santaall.net, guys. And every Friday we give away $100. So good luck, y'all. Smash the like, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.